You are doing good. Today we will discuss about the what is search factor and replication factor in Splunk. Here we talk about how the user, whenever search is being run, how it handles that, and whenever any forwarder sending the data, how the bucketing happening. For example, in this case, in high level, if someone have some confusion what is search factor and replication factor. Search factor means how many number of searchable copies be maintained. Basically, cluster manager maintain how many searchable copy must be. Replication factor is basically number of total replica copy of your original data set. For example, any JSON record you sent, how many replica copy it will maintain basically. So in this search factor and replication factor concept, cluster master where you define the basically your replication factor and search factor. Replication factor, if it dedicatedly on this topic in concept, what is do it define the how many total copies of raw data including searchable and non-searchable are replicated across the cluster, because it has to maintain. So replication factor 3, if I take here, you can see it's maintaining 3 bucket. Okay, so you treat as a 3 bucket, 3 copy of any JSON record. Okay, so what is the, if the replication factor is set, ensure this 3 copy. Exactly, I said the same thing. A higher replication factor, better data durability, and a fault tolerance. Basically, search factor, when we talk about, its number of many, how many copies searchable data. So the green bucket is are basically, even though these are copy, but they are searchable, they mark as searchable copies, bucket copies, to maintain the cluster. So for example, we have set here 2, then it's maintaining 2. One of them is not non-searchable copies. That replica copy is not searchable. So in this case, what I'm trying to tell about that, you will have a total 3 total copy of bucket A distributed across different peer indexes. So one copy will be designated as a primary searchable bucket. So always in this case, always there will be a primary bucket in the scenario. One more copy basically will be searchable, that is secondary searchable bucket, and one copy will be replica and non-searchable. That's why I put it a different color. So you understand how the cluster master is maintaining the data durability and fault tolerance. In some scenario, or in something, basically I took example, my peer, this peer gone down. So let's take this, 1 second, let's take this peer is down. Control C, Control V. So I will mark as a down just to. So what happened? Its peer goes down because of something happened. So what will happen? Cluster master has to maintain basically your this search factors. For this, what it will do, it will convert this replica copy which was non-searchable into the searchable copy. Okay, this is how it works, and hopefully your concept is fully clear. So when user request come to search it, it will search where is the primary. One primary is always designated, and another secondary copy as well to search the data. It send the request across the nodes which is searchable copies, because cluster master's responsibility is to maintain that a search factor and replication factor. Similarly, when data getting ingested, it will be ingested based on the this cluster master's configuration, how many bucket copies will be replicated across the cluster. Thank you very much. We will see soon on the practical for this search factor and replication factor practical example. Thank you very much.